Hey everyone, it's NancyO and welcome back to my channel. So I'm excited about today's video because I am going to do my first unboxing from the hair company Her Textured Hair. But before we get into that, if you are new to my channel, be sure to click that subscribe button. For those of you that have been watching me but haven't already done so, go ahead, click that subscribe button as well, and make sure you click that bell so you get notifications on when my new videos come out. I mainly do videos on fashion, faith, and finance, and of course other topics if they come up. So now let's get into it.
I got all this stuff waiting just for you. I just gotta know that your love is true. Can't keep running, boy, in and out.
If you truly know me, I'm talking about if you really know me, you know that my life is on the go. I do not waste time, and to be honest, I don't take the best care of my hair, okay? I said it, all right? Have actually been natural since 2013, and during that time, my process has always been simple. I am a wash and go kind of girl. I don't like to waste too much time. My hair products that I don't use a lot of stuff. I use just enough to get the job done, and I'm out the door. And of course, team wig till I die. Do my little cornrows all the way down and slap a wig on there, sloop, out the door. No time to waste, okay? If I'm feeling a little lazy and I don't feel like braiding my hair down, what I tend to do is wash, get my little hairband, slick my hair up, puff, 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 you know, spray whatever I have, and I'm gone. Well, honestly, I don't feel like I need to get it together. I think I do just enough to take care of it, and leave it as it is. I love anything that doesn't take too long. So no, I don't have like a huge streamline of hair care products or anything like that. Whatever I've been given is what I usually use. Don't judge me. Super excited about this video because now I get to add to my collection of items that will make my life a lot better and faster. Special thank you to Her Textured Hair for sending me their hairpiece. I have not opened it just yet. I was waiting to do this video with you guys so we can see what is in here together. All right. So first off, okay, come on, purple. Come on. You know, purple's not even my favorite color, but this looks nice. Packaging, okay? Presentation is key. Let me see what all they got up in here for us. Ooh, yes. Ooh, yeah. Do y'all see that? Like, oh, I think I tore it. But yes, like, come on, packaging. Let me open this up. Let's see what is in here. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Okay, first thing I see is a card from Her Textured Hair. Welcome to the tribe. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for your purchase. Your support really means the world. Absolutely, yes. Your hair unfiltered. Too many times I've heard my sisters complain that their hair is too kinky, too thick, too unmanageable when it comes to achieving certain styles. Her Textured Hair was specifically, where we at? Specifically created to cater to our sisters in a society that focuses on the European standard of beauty. Instead of our kinks, coils, and curls. Finally, our hair in its true form, its pure form, our textured hair, unfiltered. Yes. Come on. That sounds like poetry. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's move on to the next card. Yep, it says welcome to perfect hair, and they even give us information on the back for hair care and maintenance on how to take care of the hair. So they got wash day, heat style, dang. Okay, come on. Thing I see. Ooh, I got a t-shirt. Oh baby, I'm gonna be right back. And of course it wouldn't be me if I didn't spruce it up a little bit. So here goes the stylist in me. Check this out. Bow, bow. Okay, boom, in there. Pacow. Yes. Yes, honey, yes. Love me a good t-shirt, okay? Her textured hair, honey. Get into it, all right? Moving on. So, I'm seeing some amazing things. Okay. Oh, they got me some scrunchies. Oh yes, this is perfect. Oh, there's so many different colors. And they're like the natural colors that I just love so much. I love me like nudes and natural looking colors. Okay. Oh no, they didn't. Oh no, they didn't. Baby. Cause slicking this back, my comb sure did break. So thank you, Jesus, for some new ones. What? Come on. Yeah. And a nightcap. Oh. Come on, her texture. And it's extra large. Okay, that means I can wear whatever hairstyle I want. Come through. Let's see. What do we have here? Ooh, silk. Oh. Y'all, it's a pillowcase. Silk pillowcase. Excuse me? What? Those of you that know the struggle of a curly-headed woman, you know the importance of a silk pillowcase. Yes, Jesus, Lord, thank you, God. Let's move on. Ooh. Ooh, what is this? Let's see what this is. What is this? Let's see. Her textured hair. Come on. Come through. What is this? It's a scarf, y'all. What? Come on. Ooh. Baby. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all better quit playing with me. Oh man, and it feels so nice. Wow. Wow. You can wear it. I'm not gonna do all that. But yes, before I mess up my edges. Yes, I love the color. Whoo, scandalous. Okay, we also have the 3-minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. I'm assuming this will be perfect for the hair piece that has been given to me for this video. So I will make sure I use that for maintenance. What else they got in here? Okay, so the hair piece is inside this. Oh, but wait, there's more. This, I'm proud of myself because I at least know what this is. This is the perfect thing whenever you're done washing your hair. This is, I don't want to fully demonstrate because I really don't want to mess up my hair. And then, of course, you squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Okay, you know what? Let me just. Ooh. Ooh, I don't want to mess up my hair. Don't mess up my hair. Don't mess up my hair. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. So once you're done washing your hair, you put it in there. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Wrap it and then put it in the front. Hope that was a good enough demonstration. I'm not doing another one because, listen, it took me a really long time to get this really slick back look, okay? This is another reason why I don't mess with my hair. It's a lot of work. Moving on. So now we have our product. We're now going to do the opening. You ready? Ooh, I'm excited. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on. Let's see. It's definitely like a kinky curly, of course. Let me see what else. It's 12 inches. So what I'm going to do is this feels so it feels so natural. Like, come on, her textured hair. And so inside, this is what the inside looks like. You have your pins at the top. Do not come for my nails, okay? Times are tough right now. You see the clips, and then it also has a string there to tie it back. So I've got my handy dandy spray with me today. We're going to spray it and just give it more of a natural look so it can kind of blend in with my 4B hair. Okay. Spray, spray, spray. Kind of. I want it to look very, very, very natural. It already has a natural look to it, but I want to kind of spritz it out some more so it can really blend with my hair. You know, give it a little fire. I don't even, well, I didn't plan to use a comb. I don't want to use a comb. It really just, it's really smooth, and it feels really good, like even as I'm running my hands through it. Really natural. I love that a lot. Make sure I get the top. Okay, and I think I'm good to go. Get that bottom. So I've kind of spruced it up a little bit. Added some water to it. Just give it a little flair, you know? Just make it look a little more natural for my hair. Okay, so now I'm going to take the clips. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this. And insert it. Get the top clip, insert it at the top of my bun. And then get the bottom clip, insert it at the bottom of my bun, and we are locked in. And then I'm going to use this string that is attached to it and pull, baby, pull. And make sure, you see this little knob right here? We got to make sure it's in, because this thing, this bad boy, I need to make sure that even if I swing my hair, that it's not going anywhere. I'm talking about if I even have to run for dear life. It needs to be so tight to where I can just do anyhow and it's not going anywhere. Do you understand? This needs to be tight. Tight. And then usually for me, what I do is once I'm done, kind of wrap it around 1 or 2 times, and then I tuck it inside my ponytail to make sure that no string is seen. I really love the fact that they gave me these scrunchies, because it's going to make my job 10 times easier. I'll use the white one for this video so you guys can see it. And I'm going to put it back here, just like that, like that, so y'all can see. And that way it covers up the I don't know what it's called, but like the threaded area that is used to make the ponytail, so that way when people are looking at it, it don't look fake. Okay, all right, so let's see. Ooh. Ooh. Who is this girl? I think I'm gonna run some more water through it a little bit more, just to kind of, you know, give it a more natural look. Y'all, I'm loving this. Get into this. Like, what? NancyO, is this you? Jesus is Lord. Hi. I'm so cute. Oh my goodness. And of course, if you want to do something different, you can always play with it, make it a bun back there. But I'm so in awe. I just want to leave it like this, and it just looks like it blends with my hair so well. This feels like poetry. Like, I'm really loving this. I'm loving this. This is going to be another addition to my collection on Wash and Go. Hit the dough. Okay, the hair feels really nice. It blends in really well. They gave me a scrunchie that helps to cover up the I don't know what it's called, the threaded part or whatever. But if let's say they didn't give that to me, what I would usually do is just take some hair strands and wrap it around. So it's up to you, whatever you choose to do. But thank you guys so much again for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, this unboxing. Once again, thank you to Her Textured Hair for this amazing hair piece and all these amazing products that you placed in here for me. I'm definitely gonna be rocking it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment down below and subscribe. I will have all of the information on Her Textured Hair in my description box down below, so be sure you stay tuned for that. And also my social media links and everything else will also be in my description box down below as well. So don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below for me. Comment on this hair. Let me know what you guys are thinking, how you guys feel about this hair. You know, give me some hair care tips. I may not use it, but you never know. It may be something that could be useful for me at a certain period in time. So leave all that down below. And I will see you guys next time. Mwah, 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 mwah.